All right, this is more like it this afternoon. Temperatures topping out as mild as 44 degrees, 15 degrees warmer than yesterday. And, tonight will be chilly, but it won't be nearly as windy or as frigid. It's gorgeous out there right now for early to almost mid-January. Looking at 40 in Lincoln right now. Got a gorgeous sunset. Sun going down in about 10 minutes, and it will be a pretty one. You get temps now really between about 40 and 44 degrees across all areas, eventually cooling down into the 20s late at night and the upper 20s late at night and early in the morning. So here's sort of the weather menu, but dry tonight, but not as cold. Your Friday night plans look fine. All right, light snow for Saturday. Now, we do not have a snowstorm, plows, parking bans, shoveling. But a coating to about an inch of snow is what we're expecting from this starting early on Saturday morning. And right there, sometimes that's all it takes for an untreated surface to become a little slippery and slick. So your outdoor plans and traveling tomorrow, just be mindful of that. We're back to sunshine on Sunday. Looking ahead to next week, we don't see any major storm systems down the road for next week. We're clear for now. You can see the clouds off to our west. That'll make for the pretty sunset. Those clouds are on the increase. Storm system across the southeast. Now, normally be very concerned about an all-out snowstorm with cold air in place, low pressure across the southeast coming up the coastline as a nor'easter. More than likely, this will stay well to the south, but still getting some fringe effects on the northern side of a little bit of light snow. So here's the storm really intensifying off the Carolina coastline, 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. Here we are in southern New England. So we do get residual moisture to the north, but the bulk of the storm stays to the south. So light snow overspreads the area tomorrow morning, but notice the thrust of the storm right in here is well south of New England. And watch this next frame. This is very impressive. It wraps up into this huge gale center. This would have been an all-out classic New England snowstorm had it been closer to the coastline, but it's far enough offshore so that doesn't happen. But close enough to again throw back residual moisture here in the form of some light snow. Look at Sunday, nice day, sunshine and dry, along with pleasant temperatures. It's getting real close. I'm going to start things off at around 5, 6 in the morning. Here we are at 7 o'clock in the morning. This light blue, purple, indicating some of that light snow throughout the morning. Here we are at about 11 a.m., some light snow in the lower 30s. As we jump ahead to tomorrow evening early, then maybe one little last batch of some light snow swinging through with temperatures upper 20s to low 30s. As far as snowfall amounts, we're still going to go with a general coating to about an inch of snow, which obviously is not a lot, but is somewhat significant, obviously, if you're traveling, and things will get a little slippery and slick, so be mindful of that on Saturday. So for tomorrow morning at 6 a.m., light snow 29, 11 a.m. 31, and then cloudy and certainly not as mild as it was today. Temperatures in the lower to middle 30s is still with that light snow. So, of course, reduced visibility on the bay, though the wind not overly strong. All right, 7-day forecast. Sunday is your brighter day. It's pretty comfortable at about 38 degrees. Next week is fairly quiet, though the wind starts to pick up once again Tuesday and Wednesday, and will trend a bit colder by the middle of next week.
All right.